Mike, you say me slow. Mike, who me won't teach him school. Also, my headmaster clones again. No, what the other? Name me fault.
What's it?
Mike,
what's it? Then I'll put catch him.
My headmaster again.
My headmaster who's again here the M1. What's Jalewati? Now, who do you obey Quano to some bonus? Some mistake, look what I say. After you walk up again, I come here. Oh, Baba can be at you. See, there was a question and a consequence that you are made it. So, after now, facing me, you be catching me. Some of them master say, one said an Akran or Muadia. Yo, then on me, Dunyame. Bon price, I might be being again.
Mike, so who him send me school, I remember by be at that girl. No, or no buy or there chopper or ever too many or patch or say, no, assignment and what tram. It means men control me on me born on over Bono. So what Jimmy? Yansa, over Bono. What a yeah, boy, buy a bunny Yansam, your money Jimmy. I like me bonus suma saying Jimmy. Ni na me so free one. Me bonus suma saying Jimmy. Me case I mean ye bia ya me bo oba. Case I mean ye bia oba na me bo no. But me bo oba ni nyansem. Me mbu ni Jimmy mu. Me mbu ni kwan me for so e plano. At ye tia oba. Me si am timi twa ne to. Eno no tia no. Na de akwa bonus mu ni nyansa. Me to yam say ma bibi nya ge no. So ma bibi ye ge no. Ma bibi ye ge no. Me to nya me mu ade we enu kwan say so because a problem na about say girl no muadie my bona ma collapse na girl no kra woni ni wo mic ni kwan kra so jijinem gidi girl na nya wo girl be mic
ujimi sa jimi no asia on
Mike say
don't provoke me, don't push my temper to the wall. I swear say you say girl me ni ja girl me ni njai me na me catch roll
like we
issue and about in term we have an agreement and issue, that's why we are all celebrate. What it? What's your summer quack? Said you major again, me again. What's on a man out today? When you bar now, hide. What's on to me to say, we're dying. Catch him, we're dying.
Man, the headmaster who misses a problem. Also, I best support to me. Also, or some got me crying, my headmaster or Nanka. You can be. I won't support to girl. Maybe my boy girl. You're from
you were the crime to Yam Summer for almost 1 year. You ready? Whoa!
Mike, now we'll be a content. No, no problem.
Number percent me your style ni bi.
Maybe at all.
Number percent me your style ni bi.
Style.
Come nya de Iddi asim na. Enka sum de adwua. What it? What's your some na aka kire me no? Yo, show life here. There no, e ma bibi to no. Se bibi to na. I swear my motherland. Me trust her hand free.
Yeah, me pek what I mean, you the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Listen, what it? Intina me mache. Akola ne di aba. Sisi akola ne ni mu headmaster Mr. Me pacho. Wa woni tue school mu ha. Telephone no way yes egu ha. Listen. Me mo bo na fu ani to me. Na ba bi ensem ne ko no say ya nhwe ne answa no a. Na di how be.
De ya yenso ano no abeka na majai ya yenso ano no abeka na majai no kwabra na enya ho no odi nsamfo eyesa nipa dasanyi pa wadwum dawo wonim nyansa say wonim nya wo no school mu a wotima ba so nyonkum di na bo ama na ko okokoma tenesa akola we wo nya school wa na ka we wicked o we are wicked.
It wasn't my intention. So the girl, she disrespected me, so I didn't have any other option.
You didn't have any stupid boy. You didn't have any other option.
When you say we question something, I will want it. Only why come on, I when you mele something, I really know. A bit more can watch my hour can watch him. Headmaster, I'm a report on a show. Good one, man on the casa. Now, a John, yes, shuru. Who you shuru me?
Semi.
Can I why
my akwawe no ye no shada wonim ne oye we are phone power we are phone.
It wasn't my fault.
It wasn't my fault.
It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my intention at all. The other the boy cried say what's that? And I would the boy no. Hey me can crow. Me and no na me face. Me cast me what fast we are here. What's yes about the say? Mamaji, can't you same? Can't you same?
Headmaster, can I say me?
What are you talking about? Scanty.
Yeah, cannot put baby.
Me to me home, but me go ahead is some ama on. Me to me home 20. Me go ahead is woman. What it?
Me say can we yano, the meet my catch on the bompire, Sakulano, obey okay. Sakulana and you okay at the baby piano, make sure so we face it. Because me Sakulano or Kumano, me knew what she or some me bonnet boots of farmer. Some me bonnet boots of farmer and say near Beniacolano or Kuma. No, the boots of also better. Because me man can cry school nurse concerning different about
my headmaster. One hour school, so one hour cast a impuna na impun. And do not do and shake that shit. Sadness need concerning and one the channel life man. But Mr. Headmaster, ain't no sir. I can't say Namia and Yadu Bill. I can go coma and so. What the coma? And I make you say coma no one you coma and you coma. Dear, she's still alive, almost solid. But Mr. Headmaster, for when you to me, see us okay, dear, okay, some pina police case. Encore, Emrano. Now, Bamishu, a best watch, cat, where the can down. A bamsu. The slow, the patcho.
Mr. Wunum Skuma Jimmy Woon, can your name, Miss Sasse, Wolf a crown, a country I saying. And no Numskuma no Jimmy, teaching a country I saying.
Oh, and
to be Jimmy Paddock, who be Jimmy.
And I says, I shouldn't have been calling him.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come anymore.
Brother James. Oh, Brother James.
Aroma, what's up?
Your voice even shows that you are not fine. Why are you trying to lie?
I'm fine. I'm very fine.
Oh. I know you. I know when you are fine. What's going on? Can you talk to me?
Do you know what is going on?
Are you still worried about Mama Brita?
Break up.
Oh,
Break up.
the boy is in love.
No, I miss her. And they are also blaming me. Why do they think I know where Brita is? Why?
See, if you think about what they are saying too much, it will just trouble you more. Just relax. Everything will be fine. Questions, won't you tell me?
You guys reported it.
Reported it
To
to.
the police.
Oh no. Are you praying that they should do that? Now everybody is blaming me.
But if you go to report, I'm sure maybe you wouldn't be a suspect.
A suspect, yes.
But I should rather go and report.
Yes.
But I'm not related to her. You know, she's not my
Then
family.
why are you worried? Because they are blaming you.
Exactly. I don't know where she is, and they think I know where she is.
So just because they are blaming you, you can just go and report
Yes.
that your girlfriend is missing.
I mean, police will understand the relationship.
Obvious.
They will eliminate all problems, rumors, accusations, just like that. You'll be free. Then you can relax.
Because like this is every time you are worried.
Yes. Now look, you have even become slim.
This is my room. This is even my room. This is where I sleep.
So where you sleep?
Exactly. This is why I don't even go to the hostel because I can't stand that. Everybody is asking me about Brita. Why do they think I know where Brita is? And you are the last person that saw her. You remember you told me that when I brought the flowers to the hostel.
I didn't tell you I saw her.
You said you saw her in the morning.
Please no, I didn't see her.
Huh?
I didn't see her. I told you that. Hey, Aroma, please. Oh.
Yeah, look,
No,
let's
no,
relax.
no.
This shouldn't be a serious case.
No. You asked me and
Aroma,
said I
calm
hadn't
down.
seen her. I thought she was with you.
You said you saw her in the morning.
Don't change my words. I've not seen her. I didn't
Precious,
see her.
calm down.
PlayStation
You know
2,
he's
you
a
didn't
bit
see her.
hurt. Aroma, you calm down. Let's forget about that. Whatever the case was, now she's missing. Fighting will not bring her back. Right now, look, you have slimmed down. Look at you. I can see your bones. Aroma.
Don't start to cry. Don't
I
cry.
feel like eating. I don't feel like eating
So you haven't eaten?
since she left.
That's why you are not able to put 2 and 2 together and dress well. Just put on anything.
Precious, calm down. Why are you attacking me like that?
Nah, why was he trying to accuse me? I'm in for you and then you're coming to put it on me.
Relax.
Fine, you don't worry. Thank you for being there for me. But I want to stand here.
Precious, let's at least get him some food.
Good.
Have you eaten?
No.
It's not easy.
No. Since last week, I've not eaten anything.
Since last week.
But that jeans.
You let's go. We can get you food.
Now, you
Does the
also...
woman have kinky?
Kinky.
The one at the junction.
Ma Salimatu. Yeah, she has kinky.
She cute.
Yeah, she came today. I saw her before.
I don't like beans.
No problem.
Now you are telling us what you like and what you dislike.
Relax.
I don't eat beans. If I eat beans, I bloat. And how is Seer?
Why are you asking me about Seer?
They said your useless boyfriend slapped her.
And why do I care?
You don't care.
I don't care. She's not my friend.
Oh man, this shouldn't be something you're asking us. You
Come
know we
on.
are not on good
You should
terms,
know
okay?
better. Why are you asking us?
Aroma.
Well, I was just being a good person.
Don't ever ask me about Seer.
Sorry.
So let's go and let's get you the food.
You follow us too. Okay.
Bring my towel.
Who should bring your towel?
I should do what?
Towel.
What towel?
You're also going to take it.
Oh. You see, you're a foolish guy. You see, you're a foolish person.
Why?
You see what he was doing?
What did he do?
You see, this guy, I don't trust him. I don't trust this guy. I'm sure he's the one behind that accusation.
So,
you're the reason why they are accusing me.
Leave him. That's
He's
why
the
the reason
reason.
we came to you. He's the
He is in prison.
So we are here doing you good. We haven't even asked you for money. We haven't even
I don't
asked
trust
you for
him.
money.
I don't
We are
trust
using
this
our
guy.
own money. Look at what you are doing. Aroma, don't do that. Don't do that.
Go back. We are not going. No, stay there. We are not going to help him. What is this?
No, Precious, it's not about you.
You accused me and I accusing him.
Listen.
Are you
listen.
okay?
Precious, I
Precious,
know you
no,
are.
No, maybe he's not doing well. Are you okay?
Precious,
Sorry.
Precious,
I'm sorry for acting this
The
way.
people supporting you in this squad, the people you are accusing.
This guy, I don't trust him.
What
I'm
have
sure
I
he's
done
the
now?
one behind this. Because it just started once, boom, and they are all accusing me of knowing where Brita is. And this guy, you know him. You know Vaughn.
I know him and I know he wouldn't do that.
I'm even startled. Why would you accuse me all of a sudden like that?
I'm sorry.
Let's go. Precious, take the lead and then check if the woman is in place and all. Okay.
Sorry.
Let's go together. I can't order food for you.
Go, don't
Let's
worry.
go together.
Go, I'll come.
Oh, don't worry.
Let's go.
Oh, me, I just want to finish something for you. I'll come with you. Pastor, what you are doing? Stop. Nobody is responsible for the reason why Brita is missing. Don't come and bring any situation like that.
I know nobody's responsible. Why are they blaming me? I know you are the one behind it.
Calm down. Who is behind?
You can go around telling people that they should ask
Be
me
careful.
because she is my
Be
girlfriend.
careful. I haven't done anything. Be careful. We said we are going to get you food. Let us go. Okay. You there, calm down. And one more thing. Ijapuku. The gardener.
A great teacher.
Yeah. What's it? Ne flowers na ye be fie no betete. What's J? Na we hu more than once. Okeche monyende. What's mama nke nchire mpu. What's your pedo set trap eba na the belt or dey do wechi anu we gwa we jinjam kaka.
Ponchi na ye ba hobere no. Wa come fie ko bi so.
Aroma.
Goat come there and chew it. Does he go around asking the owners of the owner of the goat? Vaughn, I don't have time. Let's go. You are a stupid guy.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any monso dwameya.
Mai, na de ho no. Se de akora ni si da ho de o da wusu. Akora no, me me hu pa de me hu sa obi yi. No timi bo bi be ja. E ma ni da ho kra na wo se obi ade e.
Hey, kanana I would be so sweet. Kanana, what a kanana.
Hey, no so back and no so bone say kana kanana kwanda ho. Otinye no hwe.
Susu jifunu to amnem. And we born a kanana nine and again need the whole and we ye say. Teacher Ness, and you the overboard. But I come radio station and Nancy DJ overboard. I'm an out there. Listen, who did dinner? Okay, kaka. There's 2 more 40. I don't know, and you're fine. me de no. The bia the internal me no ya agreement upon agreement nyina. Anya de teteni nkola no. Eti so school ma bro mo nkola ne ya de wo mo pae me no. Wo mo nkoda ne pe wo ma se mo school mu a eye me no. Enti me srew madam nurse na teacher nurse me srew. Come here account. Ampanyi se count na ntina na account to. Me srew. Once a wakoye me nua ne de. Mkwaya abefa so abeboa me. Me srew.
Na me ka se me che wo. Se abema no se nye wo faase pa ni wo faase ni mpon a. Akade no me kon ka just chance akra na enye yi wo nwu ne yenchi ni ntum. Enso nam se ye wo faase ntin me abomodin bia se ye behweda ma akra ne ho ato no. Na wo faase ne ho ato no bi. Na kenye sade nke plan sabre nku wo faase na so den tunifo.
Sadia wo kana ya so ntuma monefo to okra nso
akroba school wo fado ba school we sunsun de nkwase asem nko ane mwasem ko na me office na nkoma me na dura no ma me na wu
se ebi na woken me wonda na niam bi edi ma me hu che se atie wi a asi mesrew me pa chew
amufie nye
city me yonko no no ka school ma so me yes Yakon ewiase kura no mpanyi se ese ne tetrema wo hoi wo moko na so mo ne nim a wo mse ye dai e ka wo masen all I'm saying is israw yakata ne ma so
sani ebe no de ebe ni sa na mum ye wiwi akora no hwi kanya ne kasa kire pass wo nyantete oni fi a o mfa ndu skum ho a so agimi a nye skum a no de na asem ba to Jimmy on finance mountain fee new school.
Yo, Vaughn, I didn't come here in peace. What's the school I want? I don't have any personal relationship with you. You don't need that vibe. It's who said, throw a bitch na. Anytime you throw with me inside the bitch, I'm person be a bit sister. Me know what you say. Respect now, them out. You should also give me that same energy. Precious now, say, oh, only precious. That vibe, only Precious vibe, and I don't like it. You should end everything that's going on between you and Precious. I'm not accusing you of anything, but the only Precious and I just don't like it. And the only Precious, like must start here, that close that man, huh?
Scanty, don't start. Scanty, even before we came to this school, Precious and I were like this. Don't think that just because we have allowed you, not even we, I have allowed you, that you can date her. That you have the right to come and stand in front of me and then tell me that, oh,
Bon, I shouldn't. Stupid. You have allowed me to date Precious.
Scanty,
you are mad. You allowed me to date Precious. Do you know how I tried my best to get her?
Scanty,
huh?
Scanty, don't try. Scanty, don't try. Scanty, you know me. If I wanted to end this, I could end it just like this. Scanty, I have sat back. I've seen you doing this here, I've kept quiet. Just because I still think that I should give you a chance with her. And you are still fooling. Scanty.
If you're a man like me, try and end this relationship. And I know that's what you are doing.
Scanty.
That's what you're on the way doing. Huh? Where have you been getting that rice? That food that you've been giving to Precious these days? Huh?
The food.
Those food that you've been giving to her. I know everything going on. No. I know you've been giving Precious some food and some foodstuffs and some provisions. And I know you yourself, you don't have money to get that stuffs yourself. So probably you are getting it them from somewhere.
Getting it from somewhere.
And you know what I'm talking about. Getting it from
Precious
somewhere.
has been giving me money and then sending me on errands. You are here talking about how I've been getting money from somewhere.
Precious only have money when I give her money. So these days I don't give Precious money, which means Precious don't have any money.
Does she not have a family? Scanty, do you think you're the only one providing her needs for her in this school?
You know what exactly I'm talking about. Let this be your last warning. Next time I won't come in peace like this. Next time I won't come in peace like this. And the reason why I didn't start this argument at the hostel because I just want it to be between the two of us.
Scanty, don't start. Bon, I've already told you, do not start. Scanty, I was in a good mood before you showed up.
Bon,
I was in a very good mood.
Ready. I'm 100% ready. If you want us to start, we can start. So if you've not decided to change that attitude of yours, I'm ever ready to start whatever you want us to start. Huh? No, I'm not that cheap. I'm not that soft. Oh. Eh? Let me tell you. School Hannah.
Hey,
Me
everybody.
you're very wicked. Me you're very, very wicked.
Ebe kumebe nyantuas everybody. Me.
Me you're very wicked.
Che, dia o, me series bi am hwe. Agis. Menye ma de mam. Series bi am hwe. Gani dia na oye. Gani ni nwa no, wato ediban ma gani ni dem nyama na. Gani ni mde o fe echi. Dia na gani obo. Gani na o mia ni minim ntu.
Me know say the mate me ayo. School mama me nam na o me say me ntisa o. Won. Me say me wicked. Meet me the blade of fire. Meet me the blade of fire. I see me jawo 30 minutes time now call.
Killer vibes.
Yes. Me silent killer.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come any months so drum me ya.
Sister V, I wanted to say thank you so much for all that you've been doing for me.
Oh, I'm also happy.
I'm very glad that you are helping me catch up with all the courses.
But you're brilliant already.
Sister V, thank you. Thank you. I
like
tried.
your hair.
You like my hair? I was born with it.
You were born with the hair. Hey!
It's natural, Sister V. It's natural. I was born. That's how my father looks like, Sister V.
Are you sure?
I'm not going to lie to you.
But your eyebrow is black.
Sister V, part of me is ginger and part of me is black.
I'm beginning to fear you.
Sister V, don't fear me. Don't fear me. But thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Sister V, I wanted to tell you something.
Okay.
Sister V.
Yes.
You must be the dove that landed on Jesus.
Hey.
Sister V.
I'm blushing.
Sister V.
Hey, like you can change your mood at any time.
Oh, Sister V, that's not it. Sister V, that's not it too. Sister V, I try to make people like you happy, Sister.
But you can be like, and you just do this.
Oh,
why?
Sister V.
Like, are you playing or what?
Sister V, that's just how I am.
Are you sure?
I was brought up like this.
But you are nice, oh.
Thank you very much.
You're very handsome. Hey, you can just frown and just laugh like that.
Oh, Sister V. Sister V, see.
Like you are weird.
Weird. In a good way or in a bad way, Sister V.
The way you are behaving, you can just do it and you just do this. You come back to normal.
Sister V, that's just how I am.
Oh, just by the way. I like your hair.
Oh, Sister V, you are complimenting me. Sister V.
Can you just stop? I don't like it.
Sister V, I wish.
Can you just stop?
I wish. I'm trying. I'll try for you. I will stop for you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Sister V, can I take my leave? I'll meet you on campus.
Alright, sure.
Thank you very much.
You're
also.
welcome.
Sister V.
You're nice. But he's nice, so very nice.
Who is nice? Anderson. What's wrong with you? Who is nice?
Adams, can't I get my peace of mind? Can't I get my peace of mind? Right now, I'm living my life, so live yours, okay?
Anderson, why?
Leave me alone.
You know what I'm going through on this campus. You know the challenges I'm facing.
Adams, I've been stupid for so long. I've been stupid for so long. I told you everything. You can't date two people at a time.
Anderson, this is the time you are even supposed to be always to be close to me. Huh? This is the time that I need you.
Precious is there, so go to Precious, okay? Go to Precious. I'm done with this thing. I'm done with it. I told you the last time. Remember? I told you. I said I'm done. And I was serious about it. I'm done with you. Adams, I'm being so stupid on your side.
You know what I'm going through, so this is the time that I need you by my side.
Did I send you? Adams, did I send you? What animal commando? You went to beat her. I didn't send you. My J Subanye Rao, do you know that?
It was my J Subanye Rao.
Bad influence.
It was an accident. So accident.
Now you are commando. Okay, then go and solve your issues. I don't care, Adams. Right now I want to focus on my books. I'm done with this dating stars. I want to focus, okay?
Hey, Anderson, when you have problem just within 3 days, yeah, Okachem say you have to focus on your books. And you are here telling another guy that he's nice. Huh? Anderson, why? Talk to me.
Adams,
Listen.
I have nothing to tell you.
I'm going through a lot.
Okay.
I'm going through a lot, so this is
I said okay. Go to Precious. You want me to pamper you?
I'm going through a lot. You are saying okay.
Okay. You want me to pamper you? Adams, I don't have this time, okay?
Precious. Hey.
You're calling me Precious. How dare you? Hey, don't touch me.
Hey. Very true, also. The bunny fucking.
Yeah, me punk when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me ya. Me pesa me come any months so jam me ya.
Hey, me say na dia me hu pa nipa hu.
All day.
Like makuma kura bubu. Me hu say na men sha asem na se kura. Me real kura. Mike,
Are you afraid so mami ewu ana wo?
Na bia no krampo de mami ewu kura nke no kura de enhye da nya rewo to say de me beke.
Na mami ewu anke no no ye.
Enye say ye but nke no kura enhye da ha me say de obi wu akọ. What you say? Miguel Anderson.
Cause one of your guests.
One of my girls. So me two. Okay. Precious Anderson.
Okay.
One of my girls no. Nah. Boy, yeah, watch you transfer back for free. That why no one
fanboy.
Fanboy, yeah. Who know a fanboy, man?
Maybe a fanboy, but not see a fanboy, no see Jinem.
Stand me young kind, but I also son.
Ah, the casa.
So only also ya jam this in the free me. Say money Anderson. Like I come to us him say broken heart as him say. Only I'm this in Mike one boy me
like me person asem na no.
Mike asem na no one boy me my man Jimmy Gay.
Tua Kawate. Baby ama mi wo bia on tua Kawate. Now so out here. It is asem when I was thinking ama mi hu kura nkeye no.
So the baby dey nkenu from.
Keno. What Jimmy?
I could no mo be Jimmy girl.
Me say what Jimmy say? O say why we would Keno?
O the building
Keno. O sere. Well, I'm fairness o sere. O sia, ana o be ka chem se me menye dai.
Like, yen pa grown to chain like where no. Ye bibie, say nyama o ye ne bi ni we.
So timi ni obi di agora, obetwa no koto si AZ. Sa agora no, e wo ha. Wanya Jimmy na o. Wanya Jimmy na. Wo di wanya min ka say, what's about be Jimmy mani me get the authority to stand my face and tell me your girlfriend issue. Where? Hey, Shabiye. Be careful.
Mama, you come so be sure my boy we abe Jimmy Gay fi me nsin.
Masa o chinchim ne sakura jikura nka me fa o. Ta guess ni mi no mo ball kura nka me fa o.
Nanka eni enko mo school mo dada ibi nje. Last month ya.
E ma pa de mo no, eno na wo so hu. Oba bia pa de foforo. Oba bia mpa be ma o twemo. Hwe. Ana we also we a fanboy. Baby, girl me kura am de ma no 2 minute piki yo. Na wo jo wo ya la bia ma wa wo cover e kura na wo long. Kwasia. So if you don't feedback ni ade wo me wo. You no go get anything, I swear. Get on to the free him. What do you say you were Rosapo? Ate. Fancy asema kwa.
Ndisi aye me de.
Mimi sisi ame me yere.
Mike. Minim se bufo na de kasa.
Bra bu sisi ame yere. We mistake here. No Bob and Balis bu ama bu nya sawate.
Onfa de sino nko.
Onfa nko. Wasi ya mimi nya ba ira me sisi ni mi wu no. Asa bo me get am me get the hospital. Enu kwa me kan wase mo be gina say obi je wo ge.
Like so ni aba wa ira de we asem ehu hia na.
Someone is collective your ge. Obi je wo ge to wo be ka che me. We get mistake abla. E be furu. Wati?
Like we asem ehu hia na aba o. Obi na eji me ge onye onu aba.
Ana nu hia ma me ehu hia ma me wati. Se ehu hia ma me ehu hia ma me. Come on for there. Say the ehu hia ma. Wati? Bema wonim nyina adredwaman. Wonim nyina adredwaman. Wati? Once ya humbo ndi 30 na 35 no bra. Na hwekra ntimi nya hwibi wati.
O pese o chese obi ji me ge mi nja na me ko hwe onu aba.
Mimi obi
Mike na wasere na aka ni sa no. obi ji me game mu ba ko na se me ka se koboa me sei sase nko hwe unua no na unua ba wa ira na me game no
na wo obi na mana obi na mo wo na mo what it? All you years old. Sadia, who meaning Yana, why you're on Johnny Coins or get foolish boy. Now, I know what you need to do. I know what you need to do. What's Seer? There, we go home here, Ate. We go home here. The next time we feel near Befa. Seer, so when him now, no. Come on, say with him. Foolish boy.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, pass me come any months, I drum Maya.
Let's say,
I'm doing good, boss.
you, me say, oh, yeah, JB. And no one, oh, yeah, no. What's it?
Boss,
yeah.
Boss, you must be mistaking me for someone. I only came to the school not long ago.
Hey, me minimum. It's you I'm talking about. Me see me so oh yella I be school more afar. Don't stop. If you stop, what's saying your man?
Yo, can you throw more light on what you are trying to tell me? I don't
Bra. Oh
boss, I'm quite energetic.
Okay, let me see me say. Me see adie bi koso. Ene efe ade na oyer bra no one no. One the sing girl no. Anderson. Abigail. Me hu say wo ho bra. Ejuma na no one no fa.
Boss.
Yeah, never.
Boss, if I may ask, can you please tell me the description of this Anderson person you are talking about? I don't know who you are talking about. I promise, boss.
Me asem na makan to phone. Pass wo su cheche bebre ah.
I'm trying to understand the person you
David. Tim say you win Adam say kana. David.
I'm only trying to understand the person you're talking about. I really don't know the description you're giving me, especially the name. It doesn't sound familiar.
But when you accident dana.
Oh. No, please.
Because the walkie can maintain the walkie can say, me say, Abigail Anderson. Saki and me so wo finish no.
Who is Abigail Anderson, boss?
Onim no.
No.
Still.
No, seriously, I don't know the person. Can you describe her?
Yeah, what they mean children. So soon no me boa.
Oh.
No me boa.
No.
Person koi.
Please, can I ask you something?
What you know, sorry.
On a more serious note, I'm trying to find the canteen. I'm quite hungry. Can you show me the directions to the canteen if you don't if you don't mind, please?
Bla, we should hospital pay in China. Because you may be a way to see me. I'm a to wase. Are you okay?
Boss, I'm really good. I'm doing fine.
And I'll say Abigail no name no me boa.
Actually, I don't know any person.
Unim Abigail.
No, anybody.
Bla, I am finding out. Why? Me say I'm fine. So soon him no.
Is there something that's going on? I only came to the school just few days ago.
So soon him no.
I've not met anybody called Abigail.
Why?
But what about the canteen? I'm hungry.
What the canteen?
I've been going back and forth trying to find the canteen, but I'm not finding the canteen.
Rather, what they call the street. Right. Canteen anymore.
Thank you very much, boss. Thank you. You're a lifesaver. I appreciate you.
And your boy we are. Me sure. Hey! Now we are so many. Wait there. Wait till say we are bottom no about we are bottom no fear waba. Na je ni tire umbra we there. Hey! Uni man does. E ba sa ajimi na ni ase o. Wasia. Ye ni we ma enche so de won ge na nam ho. Let me see you and the girl standing there or passing by. But you some. Then what about them saying? Yes, I do need to meet the Kojino be a Diana. But to my Annie as I had any chance here, normal. What's here?